buggy ride with Jack.
I'm driving this time.
And he's driving.
Oh, shit. Missy. Shouldn't be missy.
You need to back up more. You need to back up more.
Well, then how about you? Is that good enough for you, I guess?
Yeah, because it's hard to turn.
No, run over there!
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You know I wouldn't.
Yeah, you were literally about to.
What's wrong with you, Missy? I'm scared. No, you should be.
Be careful, please.
Okay, oh, be careful. Whatever.
No, don't run over Lila. Look where you're going! Oh my god! Don't turn around! Go that way! Oh my gosh.
Go to middle right there.
Oh my god.
Oh, you should be scared. Listen,
I am. Why don't you drive on the... Oh my gosh! No, no, no! No! No, slow down, slow down.
Nope.
No. No, slow down! Jack, slow down! Oh my god.
Jack, what? Jack.
Stop! Oh my god.
This is so fun.
Watch where you're going.
I am.
Careful, there's a tree in the road. Or a branch.
Well, I guess we'll stop here.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we'll
Mom, you
stop.
want to help me get Lila in?
Let's stop here.
And let's help get Lila in because she's in. All these berries are capable of juice. What kind, you may ask? Purple juice. What kind of purple juice? Blood-like juice, as you can see.
That's going to be so hard to get off of you. That's going to stain you so bad.
This ain't the first time I've used it. It is very good for your hands.
Do you some lines under your eyes?
No.
Wow. They're like war paint. I like it. I like it a lot.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
You looking for frogs?
No.
You're just digging? Ooh, that's good, Jack.
Clearing this out.
Ooh, that's really good.
Look. See a frog?
Uh-huh.
Then stay a little ways away from where the frog was. Because where there's frogs, there's snakes.
That's right.
Snakes eat frogs. Snakes will eat anything that they want.
That's right.
Like
Okay.
giant python, bite your head off.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah. Let's see. There's where I was just cleaning it out, and then if you'll notice, like this gray stuff, it's actually clay. You can like put that on the bottom of this once you get it dug out, and it'll, I don't know, seal the bottom, I think.
Did anybody
go.
What are y'all doing?
We're just making a ditch for that runoff water to run over here and not wash the road the rest of the way out. On down. Plus, it'll help wash the creek out.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy. Roll.
And we're working in the rain.
Here, look. Right here.
Work all day.
There you go. Uh-oh. Now right here. Okay. Right here. There you go.
I want to go home too. That's too bad.
I believe it's all going that way now, ain't it? Most of it. No, we got some right here. Here, look, Jack. Right there's loose dirt already. Look.
There?
Yeah, right there, that big pile.
Yeah, and some of it's clay.
There you go. Scoot, scoot. There you go, like that. There you go.
Thanks.
You got it?
Oh, God.
Now, right here.
Pretty heavy.
Right there. Don't throw it. Just dump it right there. There you go. Perfect. Here, I got you.
There we go.
Perfect. Well done. Look at that.
Oh, wow, look out.
Well, you want it to run down one track.
Look, here's another opening, Justin.
It's not coming from a different creek. That's the same water. You want all the water to be in one pack. See how much water removed.
Oh, man. All this is opening up. You can, Justin,
There's a lot of water coming through here.
you should see there's little holes where there's water coming out. And every time, I'm not. Wow. What?
It's opened up to here. Down here's where we need to.
That's coming from up there. Yep. Looky there. There's a little geode. Another little one. Another little one.
It's real soft. There'll be water coming out. Get on this other way. You can tell all that wet grass.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this whole thing is just...
It's a big seep right here. Look at there.
Uh-huh.
There it is. There it is.
Yep.
Come on out, girlfriend.
Found another one?
Yep.
Found one too. I'm gonna look.
When we get down in there deep, this may be a good one.
You're just throwing that stuff back into the water.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I don't want to record. I want to play.
There it is. Well, I figured we'd record us busting one open. Look at there. Look at there.
Got it?
Well, I can't stay down in there.
Look. Now look. It's just some of it. Once we get it opened up.
Yeah. Probably from somewhere
Isn't this
over
all
there.
clay? Isn't this all clay?
Some of this is clay.
I bet it's
Feels
coming
like
from
clay.
somewhere right here. From that rock.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, well,